Hi everyone, welcome at a new Plan With Me video. And as you can see, this is the week of Valentine. I mean, this is the month for me for February. I'm redating the planners that I have until my planner arrives. And this will be February, so this is the month for Valentine. Now, this book is not only usable for Valentine, but at least I need to use Romantic Florals for the week of Valentine, of course. I'm going to decide first which theme I'm going to use for this spread, because I'm really in love with this book. I really like the reds. Maybe I'm going to do that with the next spread for maybe the week after this. I'm really loving the spread with the people. Here I really like the sticker and these. So I think I'm going to use this one in combination with these florals. Let me see what the possibilities are. Okay, I'm first, I really want them to be here. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. Really loving it. Okay, let's see. Maybe I'm going to make bouquets here. Yeah, I'm going to do it at the bottom and then use this or these heart florals on top. Okay. I'm really in love with this sticker book. I think there's never a moment you can't use these, because I mean, life is about love, right? Okay, let's see. Then I'm going to add these ones, or maybe first boxes. Let me see. I definitely need to add the heart here because this is Valentine's Day. Oh. This is a hard shape to because it's empty from here. It goes like all kind of ways. Love it. And then I'm going to add a little one here. And I think I'm going to add some boxes here. This little one. It's so pretty. I think I'm really happy with how it turned out. Let me see if I'm missing anything. I think I'm happy with the results. It's just pink and red and it's just showing a lot of love. Yes, I think I'm done with this spread. I really hope it gives you a little bit of inspiration on how to use the sticker book. It's created with the sticker book Romantic Florals from Planything. This sticker book is available to order for $20 in the Planything webshop at planythingshop.com. And of course I'm going to create more romantic spreads with this sticker book because I'm just loving it. See you at the next one. Bye!